how can students go about networking?
I think emails are safe. I'm still networking as well, right? Like I look for family law lawyers who are seniors, who have more experience. If there's someone I want to connect to, I've been sending emails to lawyers just to connect to say, hey, like I'm in my first year of practice. I would love some mentorship if you're available. And I've gotten pretty positive responses from them. And I think I would definitely take Priya's advice and say, don't just talk about the job in that first email. I think make that personal connection of, I want to do family law or I want to do criminal law, and say, how can you give me some feedback and what would be the best way? So ask them questions that you're asking us on this panel, I guess. And I think that would be the best way to open up that conversation. But emails, I would definitely say emails. I don't know how many lawyers would be, I think a lot of them are working from home. I can't speak for all. So I think in terms of returning phone calls, you might get a delay, but I think emails are the best way to contact.
Great. Actually, on that topic, what exactly is a mentorship relationship? So I know a lot of, I guess, even the panelists have spoken about getting in touch with lawyers and asking them for if they can possibly be your mentor. And what exactly does that relationship look like?
So for me personally, it's I look for lawyers with experience in the Superior Court. So family court, you can either do cases in Ontario Court or Superior Court, or both, of course. I don't have as much experience in Superior Court, so that's where like all the finance and property division takes place. So for me, I'm exclusively looking for mentors who have that experience and that can give me feedback on my cases, resources that I can use, and even within like family law, we would need a network of financial analysts or forensic accountants. That for me is the hardest part, I think, of like finding somebody that I can work with, that my clients would be comfortable with. So having that personal connection with a lawyer who knows a few of those people, it would be beneficial for me and for my clients. And so that would be what I look for in a mentor.
Does anyone else have anything to say on that topic before we move forward?
I can say something. So I think as a law student, it is quite nerve-wracking to reach out to, you know, a lawyer in your community to ask them to be your mentor. So maybe a tip I can give is if you have existing mentorship programs at your schools, that's always a great resource to use because they already have a database of many lawyers in your community who, you know, maybe they already know this is the area of law they work in, you know, this is the type of mentorship they can give you. So if you are nervous to reach out to someone in particular, maybe they're already part of an existing mentorship database at your school, whether that's run through the school or through a club or organization. I found that really helpful and useful anyway during law school.